Hi friends, welcome to Indian IQ Study Point. In this video, we are discussing about biology subject in that health and human disease chapter in the form of question and answers for NEET, AIMS and pharmacy entrance exams. Shall we start? First question. Viral test is carried out for diagnosis of option A malaria, B diabetes mellitus, C HIV, D typhoid fever. And the correct answer is option D typhoid fever. Coming to the next question, asthma mostly caused due to option A allergic reaction of the mast cells in the lungs, B inflammation of the trachea, C accumulation of fluid in the lungs, D bacterial infection of the lungs. And the correct answer is option A allergic reaction of the mast cells in the lungs. Coming to the next question, in which disease does mosquito transmitted pathogen cause chronic inflammation of lymphatic vessels? Option A ringworm disease, B ascariasis, C elephantiasis, D amoebiasis. And the correct answer is option C elephantiasis. Coming to the next question, the infectious stage of Plasmodium that enters the human body is option A sporozoites, B female gametocytes, C male gametocytes, D trophozoites. And the correct answer is option A sporozoites. Coming to the next question, which of the following disease is caused by a protozoan? Option A syphilis, B influenza, C babesiosis, D blastomycosis. And the correct answer is option C babesiosis. Coming to the next question, infection of ascaris usually occurs by option A drinking of water containing eggs of ascaris, B eating imperfectly cooked pork, C tsetse fly, D mosquito bites. And the correct answer is option A drinking of water containing eggs of ascaris. Coming to the next question, ringworm in human is caused by option A bacteria, B fungi, C nematodes, D viruses. And the correct answer is option B fungi. Coming to the next question, which of the following is a pair of viral diseases? Option A ringworm and AIDS, B common cold AIDS, C dysentery and common cold, D typhoid and tuberculosis. And the correct answer is option B common cold and AIDS. Coming to the next question, pneumonia caused by which organism? Option A Haemophilus influenzae, B Wuchereria bancrofti, C Plasmodium vivax, D Salmonella typhi. And the correct answer is option A Haemophilus influenzae. Coming to the next question, which of these is most infectious disease? Option A hepatitis B, B AIDS, C cough and cold, D malaria. And the correct answer is option A hepatitis B. Coming to the next question, which of the following disease is now considered nearly eradicated from India? Option A smallpox, B poliomyelitis, C plague, D Kala Azar. And the correct answer is option A smallpox. Coming to the next question, who discovered Plasmodium in RBCs of human beings? Option A Ronald Ross, B Mendel, C Laveran, D Stippen. And the correct answer is option C Laveran. Coming to the next question, malaria fever coincides with liberation of Option A. Cryptomerozoites. B. Metacryptomerozoites. C. Merozoites. D. Trophozoites. And the correct answer is option C. Merozoites. Coming to the next question, which of the following sets of disease is caused by bacteria? Option A. Cholera and tetanus. B. Typhoid and smallpox. C. Tetanus and mumps. D. Herpes and influenza. And the correct answer is option A. Cholera and tetanus. Coming to the next question, botulism caused by Clostridium botulinum affects which organ? Option A. Spleen. B. Intestine. C. Lymph glands. D. Neuromuscular junction. And the correct answer is option D. Neuromuscular junction. Coming to the next question, which of the following pair of disease is caused by virus? Option A. Rabies, mumps. B. Cholera, tuberculosis. C. Typhoid and tetanus. D. AIDS and syphilis. And the correct answer is option A. Rabies and mumps. Coming to the next question, Salmonella is related with option A. Typhoid. B. Polio. C. Tuberculosis. D. Tetanus. And the correct answer is option A. Typhoid. Coming to the next question, malignant tertian malaria is caused by option A. Plasmodium falciparum. B. Plasmodium vivax. C. Plasmodium ovale. D. Plasmodium malariae. And the correct answer is option A. Plasmodium falciparum. Coming to the next question, which disease is prevented by drinking of boiled water? Option A. Malaria. B. Amoebiasis. C. Typhoid. D. AIDS. And the correct answer is option B. Amoebiasis. Coming to the next question, the vector for sleeping sickness is option A. Housefly. B. Tsetse fly. C. Sandfly. D. Fruit fly. And the correct answer is option B. Tsetse fly. If you like this video, please like and share. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Click on the bell icon to get quick notifications. Thanks for watching. See you soon with a new video.